Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy non-disclosure agreements with JotForm. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the JotForm website. Log into your JotForm account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, click on the Create Form button. Select the Start from Scratch option. Choose the classic form layout for more customization features. On the left side, find and select the Add Form Element button. Scroll down to the Widgets category. In the search bar, type terms to find the Terms and Conditions widget. Drag and drop the Terms and Conditions widget into your form. Customize the widget by clicking on it. Edit the text to include your non-disclosure agreement terms. Make sure to add clear and concise language. Enable the Require Users to Accept option to ensure compliance. Next, add any additional fields you may need, such as name and email. Position these fields where you want them in the form. To style the form, click on the Form Designer icon. Choose colors, fonts, and styles that match your brand. Once you are satisfied with the design, click the Publish tab at the top. Copy the embed code if you want to add the form to your website. You can also share the form link directly with your audience. Set up email notifications if you want to be alerted when someone submits the form. Click on Settings and then Emails to configure your notification settings. After completing the form setup, preview it to ensure it looks and works as intended. Test the form by filling it out to verify the submission process. Once you confirm everything is functioning smoothly, share the form with your contacts. Monitor responses through your JotForm dashboard to track who has signed the NDA. Manage any further actions needed based on the submissions you receive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.